Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Health and Beauty Tips. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to get clear and glowing skin. For this, we need three things: rose water, baby powder, and Multani Mitti. But before applying this tip, please do subscribe to our channel. And now I am going to show you how to mix this. So first, we need to put some Multani powder. So put some Multani powder in a bowl and some baby powder, some rose water to make a paste of this. Mix this well. And now apply this mixture to your face. So apply this Multani Mitti paste on and let it dry for some time. Use this technique twice a week to get clear skin. This is how my face looks after applying this on my face. And please do share, like, comment and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.